Good evening, everyone. My name is Sarita, and today I am here to speak on a topic and a 7 appeals which is introduced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Everyone knows about that. What appeals he gave to our nation, that it is a duty of the people, that if a country want to be grow, so every person and every citizen of the India should be follow all the appeals which is did by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The first appeal was to prioritize the work from home. He said that to the people that please prioritize the work from home wherever it is possible, because if people do the work from home, so there is a less vehicle on the road, so it is a more efficient to save the fuel. And if the save the fuel and then less vehicle on the road, then the pollution less, and also many of time we can save the many of time of the people. And the second appeal was to cut down the edible oil, because everyone knows that India import a large amount of the edible oil from the other country. If we use the less edible oil, so first of all we can help our nation, because our money stay in our country, and if we use the less of edible oil, so our health also increase. And the third appeal is to please use fewer petrol and diesel and use the public transport. He said that wherever is possible, please save the fuel and petrol, or wherever is possible, please use the public transport. When you use the public transport, so many people did not use their personal vehicle, so it is a national things less vehicle on the road. When less vehicle on the road, so we can save the fuel and pollution. And the next appeal was to please avoid the purchase the gold for a 1 year, because everyone knows that India is the very big importer of the gold from the other country. If we did not do the unnecessary purchase of the gold, so we can save the foreign currency, and it will be help to our nation. And the next appeal is to please adopt the Swadeshi, fewer use of the foreign product. He said that if India use the product which is made by the India, so after that it will be the Indian economy grow. It is a chance of become the unemployment. It is employment for the many of people, because when we use the Indian product, then maybe the industrial area will be increased, and it will be help to our economy. And the next is to please avoid the unnecessary travel of the foreign. If he appealed to the people, if people want to explore the world, so first of all he explore the India. He can if he did he travel in the India, so it is a support our Indian tourism, and it will be also helpful our economy. This appeal is not only for our one person, it is an appeal for all people, so that our economy will increase. We become the self reliant, and the economy will increase. And the meaning of the appeal is to, if the people put the nation first, the nation will become the stronger. Thank you so much.